here to tell you a story about when I got beat up. And I don't know, it just felt kind of weird. Flashback. It was all a good day. I was gonna come over here and do a flippy trick on my skateboard. So I came down. I was getting too much speed, so I came down and I did a flippy trick on my board. Someone get the Neo's board. Go! Oh, what's your problem? I just got hurt. What's your problem? What is your problem? What's your problem?
Jasmine!
I can't feel my leg. I can't feel my leg. And the flashback. And the flashback. As you can see, it was painful, gory, excruciating.